Right, I'm gonna make this very quickly. Here's the Breeze Armitage ceiling fan installed in my dorm slash apartment. This is probably the last time you're gonna ever see this fan on camera, unless if I'm gonna make a final walkthrough of the fans in my apartment slash dorm. You've probably seen this before because it's a very, very cheap fan, and I mean, it looks okay for modern day, but I mean, it's just really cheap. As expected, tiny motor, as you expect. It's got the flat Breeze pull chains. Already have so many problems with this thing, it's not even funny. Start the fan off with low. This fan is very noisy when it comes to terms of humming. On low it's okay, it's bearable to use it, but medium and high are noisy. I even tried tightening the globe, that did nothing. This fan really, really hums a lot. And the thing already has bearing issues. Not even a year later, it already has developed a bearing noise. You can see there's the pull chain for the fan, one for the light. Puts off an okay amount of air in low. Nothing special for what it is. Medium is when it starts to get noisy. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm not taking this fan with me when I go back home, because this fan really has a lot of problems, and I don't need to take it with me because I don't like it really that much. But you know, it's one of those fans that does the job for being so cheap. Here's the pull fob again, here's the lot. And these pull chain fobs break off very easily, so because the pull chain clips are so annoying to deal with. So and of course high speed. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take you up and show you the air movement of this fan. And now I'm going to shut this fan off. Other than that, I really don't have everything else much to say about this fan, except for that, yeah, this thing sucks. Honestly, in terms of quality and being noisy and not being a very quiet fan, and I have too many problems with it. So yeah, other than that, thank you for watching. Lots more to come. See you on the next video.